So I have a channel message that I just received while I was driving, and it's about tapping into who you are right now. This energy has definitely shifted. I feel amazing. I feel so high vibrational and amazing right now. I feel closer to myself. Are y'all feeling this energy? Are you feeling, if you've been doing the work, and those that have been doing the work will resonate with this message, you feel more aligned to yourself. And I'm talking about your true self. Your true self. You feel happy about aligning with your life's purpose and this auspicious kind of energy that's whirling, that's, I don't know the proper word, maybe it's like enveloping us, it's nurturing us. It's like we're in this cosmic egg and the aura around us is changing. And as it rotates within this change, is what I'm seeing in my mind's eye. It's like the colors are changing, the elements are shifting, and everything that you need, that you've been crying for in prayer, is about to happen for you. Because you've been doing the work, you kept the faith, you've been resilient, and you've been loving on yourself. And it's showing in your energy. And that energy is like a beacon. It's like a SOS call to the universe, right? It's this pulsating call. What is that call? It's like a lighthouse, is what I'm seeing in my mind. The middle of nowhere, and this lighthouse sending the signal up to the universe, to source, to the ancestors, to the ascended masters, to the angels, that you're ready, that you heard, and that you adhere to the call, and that you surrender to purpose. The angel message that I got today told me that I don't need to find my purpose. I just need to surrender to purpose. Once I start consistently doing the things that I love, that brings my heart so much joy and compassion, or joy and passion. I don't know why I said compassion. Maybe compassion for others if you're a healer, that resonates. Compassion for yourself. You're going to start to feel how you're just naturally joyful every single day. You're naturally in alignment with your purpose. Your passion is your purpose. And it said that I didn't need to look for it. It's automatically drawn to me because I'm flowing in this energy of love. That's going to resonate with the people that this message is meant for. I feel like I could just cry tears of joy because this energy is so sweet. This energy is so... It's so big and explosive. It's so powerful. It's so potent, but it's so jovial. It's whimsical. It's beautiful. It's lighthearted. It's fun. It's flexible. It's adaptable. After I cleaned my van today, and I was cleaning my kitchen a couple of days ago, and I'm just like, today, after cleaning my van, it just clicked in my spirit that I'm on the right path, that I'm still on the right path. Because sometimes I'm uncertain if I am, and I feel like that's other people trying to infiltrate my energy. And once I started to clean, the energy, that heavy energy, started to lift. As a Muslim, we know that jinns love dirty places, right? Shaitan loves dirty places. And that is going to resonate with whomever this message is for, to take action and start cleaning your spaces so that you can manifest what you truly desire. And another thing, today I heard a beautiful message from one of the young ladies that I follow, the light workers, healers. And she said that I need to create a vision board for these new manifestations that are coming in. Like, and when I heard that, I resonated in my heart, and my spirit resonated with that. And I said, okay, I'm going to do that today. I'm going to go get me another cork board, and I'm going to work on my manifestations before the full moon. So today is Tuesday. The full moon is on the 1st, which is Friday. So I have 2 days to get this accomplished. And that's what I'll be working on. So I hope that you will do the same. Get your vision board and start manifesting and putting on that vision board. She said your house, your vehicle, your money, your business, your life in general, what you want to see, like the things that you want, even like it could be detailed, like the clothes that you like, whatever it is that you want to manifest. Get your vision board and manifest it, and start manifesting. Write yourself a blank check and put it on your vision board. I hope that helps someone today. 7:44 on the timer. I love you. Peace.